Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair light woods using a great product called Old English. So this is Old English scratch cover for light woods. So to do this, you just have to get a little rag here, then we're going to squirt it on the rag. It's got a little cap right there that I really hate, so sometimes I just take a knife and pop that out, but otherwise just kind of dab it on the rag like this. This is going to be a little quick video for a quick demo. Obviously you want to devote a little more time to putting it on, but we're going to put some on right here and just work it right into the wood, and you can see right there that the scratches there, they're just gone, and it almost gives it a nice glossy finish. Here's what it looks like over here. Regularly you can see there's some scratches. We'll just rub this on, this Old English, and it really restores and rejuvenates the wood. Makes it look a lot nicer, a lot better than this kind of dull wood over here. So we'll put some Old English on it, and you can just rub it in, work it into the wood, and you can really get some nice scratch repair. This works on all types of wood. It's really a great product. You can pick it up in the description below. This is for light woods. You can also check out my other video. I got one on for dark woods. Pick that up in the description below as well. You can get one of these rags down there. And also check out the other video I have on just some regular Old English for protecting your wood.